Join a vibrant and brave little bird named Kiki on an unforgettable adventure through the lush, mysterious rainforest. As Kiki embarks on a quest to find the legendary golden fruit, she encounters countless fascinating animals, from playful monkeys and slow-moving sloths to stealthy jaguars and colorful tree frogs. Along the way, young readers will learn how birds like Kiki use their courage. Black swans form long-lasting, monogamous pair bonds, often for life. However, they are also known for their high rates of homosexuality, especially among males. An occasional divorce. Black swan, Cygnus atratus, is native to Australia and is the official state bird of Western Australia. It's also a native resident of New Zealand. Black swans form long-lasting, owls have specially adapted feathers with fringed edges that break up turbulence and allow them to fly almost silently. This helps them sneak up on their prey. Owl eyes are fixed in their sockets. To look around, they must turn their entire head. Their necks are incredibly flexible, allowing them to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees in either direction. Rabbits are often mistaken for rodents, but they belong to the order Lagomorpha. This group also includes hares and pikas. Rabbits are natural diggers. In the wild, they live in extensive tunnel systems called warrens, which can have multiple rooms, entrances. Alligators are ancient creatures that have roamed the earth for over 200 million years, surviving mass extinctions that wiped out the dinosaurs. Alligators' bite is incredibly powerful, measured at around 2,980 pounds per square inch, psi, which is strong enough to crush a turtle's shell. Alligators are ecosystem engineers. Shoebills are famous for their extreme patience. They practice stand and wait hunting, standing completely motionless for incredibly long periods in dense papyrus swamps, waiting for prey to come near. Shoebills are found in freshwater swamps and marshes of East Central Africa, primarily in Uganda. Sheep have excellent memories. They can remember and recognize the faces of at least 50 other sheep for over 2 years. They can also recognize human faces. Sheep are flock-oriented animals and become highly stressed if they are separated from the group. This is a primary defense mechanism against predators. Sheep will seek out specific plants to eat that can help make them feel better. Flamingos are highly gregarious birds. They live in large colonies that can number in the hundreds of thousands. Flamingo is a bird of extremes and incredible adaptations, from its diet-derived color and filter-feeding beak to its social colonies and ability to thrive in harsh, salty environments. In captivity, with no predators and a steady food supply, they can live for over 50 years. Cheetahs are members of the feline subfamily, small cats, and cannot roar like lions or tigers. Instead, they meow, purr, hiss, and chirp. Cheetahs have extremely low genetic diversity due to a population bottleneck thousands of years ago. This makes them more susceptible to disease and reduces fertility. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds of prey, raptors, with heavy heads, large hooked beaks, and strong muscular legs. Eagles sit at the top of the food chain, playing a crucial role in their ecosystem by controlling populations of prey animals. They can soar at altitudes of 10,000 to 15,000 feet using thermal updrafts to conserve energy. Kiki discovers that even the smallest creature can have the biggest heart. As Kiki flies deeper into the jungle, she meets both friends and foes. She teams up with a talkative toucan who helps her navigate the dense canopy, learns the importance of camouflage from a patient chameleon,